What was your typical Sunday breakfast when you were a kid?
Puri and aloo.
Bread roll.
The very sugary candies.
पाक नहीं पारक.
Parak.
वेलकम, मैं हूँ युवराज
और मैं हूँ रोहिणी.
और आप सबका पिक्सल कहानियों पे स्वागत है.
Woo! Episode 3.
Yes,
Finally. If you guys are watching, please subscribe to our channel, guys.
we know you're watching.
I like the confidence.
So Rohini, what was your typical Sunday breakfast when you were a kid?
So, my mom used to make idiyappam and egg curry.
What's idiyappam?
So idiyappam is made of rice flour and it's like it looks like noodles, but
Yeah.
it's made the similar way how idlis are made, but they give the shape of a noodles, and it's also they steam it and it comes out. It is very yummy, and it's called string hopper in English. So
String
because I
what?
went to a restaurant
Yeah.
and I saw string hopper, and then I was like, what is string hopper? Then I actually found out that string hopper is idiyappam. So it's a Sri Lankan cuisine as well.
Ah.
So yeah, and I also used to eat puri and aloo. It used to be my favorite.
Aloo puri.
Aloo puri. Sunday meal. Yes. What about you?
So we used to have this every Sunday routine where my mom used to make bread rolls
Yeah.
and sometimes bread pakoda. So like alternate Sundays, either bread roll or bread pakoda.
I thought they were same. No.
No. So bread roll is you take a bread and then उसके अंदर तुम आलू का filling करते हो and then you make a big ball out of it. Whereas in a bread pakoda, it's like you take 2 slices of bread and you put a little bit of filling and then you put another slice of bread
Yeah.
and then you dip it in basin and then you fry it.
Yeah. I
So
know.
the difference is like bread roll में like there's lots more stuffing than the bread
Yeah.
pakoda. I've done a PhD in bread
Thank you
pakoda
for
and bread roll.
I just wanted to know if they are the same. Thank you for too much information.
TMI.
TMI.
मैं हमेशा करता हूँ TMI देने का ना मेरे को एक
TMI.
शौक है.
Sure, yeah, that's true. That's why we are talking here in a podcast.
Yes.
All right. So, what was the other thing I wanted to talk? Yeah, what's your favorite childhood memory?
I think summer holidays. Like every summer holidays.
What do you
Or
do?
any holidays.
No, what?
When
but
we used to be
I
kids.
yeah.
Like I remember जब हम छोटे से थे छुट्टियाँ होती थी सुबह सुबह 6-7 बजे हम उठ के वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक हम क्रिकेट खेलेंगे ठीक है सुबह 6-7 बजे उठते थे क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए और फिर हम ऐसे दोपहर को 1-2 बजे तक खेलते रहते थे पसीनों में एंड देन मम्मी आके गुस्सा करके डांट के फिर वापस ले जाती थी घर लाइक तब तक हम खेलते रहते थे और फिर 5 बजे फिर से अपना वहाँ घर के पीछे पार्क था एक
वाह
पार्क नहीं पार्क
पार्क
और वहाँ जाके फिर से शुरू कर देना है खेलना है जस्ट बेस्ट टाइम लाइक नो वर्क
So in Gurgaon,
नहीं करनाल
Karnal. Oh.
या सो लाइक कोई काम नहीं कुछ नहीं अब हाँ समर हॉलीडे का वो होमवर्क मिलता था वो
Yeah.
नहीं करता था वो लास्ट के 2 दिन में होता था बट लाइक पूरी छुट्टियाँ नो वर्क
What a best days
नो
of
पढ़ाई
life.
जस्ट प्ले 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 तो रोहिणी व्हाट वाज योर बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर चाइल्डहुड
Not have to pay the rents. I'm joking. My
क्यों तू रेंट पे करती थी
no, I mean that's not the best part. That was one of the best part.
या अग्रीड
I think my best part of my childhood was I used to go to Kerala during my break,
या
and we used to spend time with my cousins and everyone, and we used to
Oh
go.
yeah.
It used to be so much fun because we are all of around the same age. So it used to be we were doing sleepovers and everything.
That would have been so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, क्योंकि मेरे cousins वगैरह they're all like at least 5-6 years older than me.
Yeah.
सिर्फ एक ही मेरा भाई है जो मेरी एज का है. तो I don't know how that used to feel.
It was so much fun. And so when we go to Kerala, like
हाँ.
we don't live in Kerala. So when we go to Kerala for break
Huh.
and stuff, we used to roam around. And my grandfather, my grandmother, they used to live there, right?
Yeah.
And my grandfather, he used to take us to different places. And he got, when I was a kid, he got me a cycle. He got me a rented cycle. There was some concept like that.
Yeah.
So I couldn't ride for I didn't ride for anything. I couldn't ride, but I used to get the cycle and I used to just walk around with the cycle, just for the feels. And for that, my grandfather used to get me every day the
Yeah.
rented cycle.
Okay. So you can walk with the cycle.
Walk with the
Such
cycle.
a waste
yeah,
of money.
such a waste of money. But yeah,
That's
at
such
the-
a nice grandpa.
yes, my brother. Yeah, it was so much fun. That was my best part.
Yeah.
And we used to have those temple festivals also. So we
Huh.
get a lot of food and we get different toys, you know.
What type of food you used to get there?
This random candy. We used to get random candy, very sugary candies. We used to
Yeah.
get excited about that.
Uh-huh.
That was best part of my childhood.
You can still do that.
What?
Go
Yeah.
to Kerala
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna
enjoy
do
such
that.
festivals.
I'm going soon. I'm excited.
Yeah, even like हमारे when I was a kid हमारे भी गांव में ऐसे ही सब आते थे. And then we all used to like play. I used to be the youngest, so they didn't used to include me much. I used to be there.
Yeah.
They all used to play, but I used to be just there.
Happens.
But yeah, it used to be fun. Like जब तुम छोटे होते हो and then you go to your village or your hometown, and then when your whole family is together,
Oh,
it
yeah.
used to feel so nice. I remember when I was a kid, हमारी नानी हर रोज रात को वहाँ चूल्हा होता था. You know, एक वो मिट्टी का चूल्हा, and then उस मिट्टी के चूल्हे पे she used to cook food for us. So पूरा परिवार उस मिट्टी के चूल्हे के आसपास ऐसे बैठ जाते थे हम. We used to sit on the floor. ठीक है. और नानी बीच में होती थी, like center of the stage. And then she used to like so दाल बना लेती थी वो पहले. And then at that time we all are sitting there, and then she used to make roti. And then she used to give roti to everyone, like one at a time. And that was like, it has a very special memory in me, because like that's something which is never gonna come back, I think.
Yeah. हाँ वो तो है यार.
Ooh, one of the most memorable part of my childhood was watching Shaktiman.
Ooh.
Have you watched Shaktiman?
I have watched few episodes,
A few.
but I don't remember watching the whole
Bro,
thing.
watching Shaktiman or Doordarshan was such a thing that back then, like हर कोई बच्चा दूरदर्शन पे शक्तिमान देखता था.
No, I have not watched. I watched few episodes, but I have not watched the whole thing.
What did you used to watch when you were a kid?
I used to watch Cartoon Network and
Cartoon Network पे क्या देखती थी?
Tom and Jerry, and what was the dragon one? जो सुबह सुबह आता था.
Dragon Tales.
Dragon Tales. That was my favorite. I used to watch that every day. And I actually thought that all those things can happen in real life. And me and my friends, we used to play such games also. कि हम
Yeah.
कहीं और जा रहे हैं, you know. You're saying something, you touch a stone and you say something, and then you go to different.
मैं चाहूँ दिल से मैं चाहूँ ड्रैगन की दुनिया में पहुँच जाऊँ, something.
Yeah. It was so fun. And then they go to the dragon world, everything is dragon. And you know, I like dragon. Like
You are a dragon.
House of Dragons is one of my favorite series. And
Yeah?
Game of Thrones as well.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
that's nice. Like मैं Pokemon बहुत देखता था when I was a kid. And then फिर हमने ना एक गेम भी बनाया था जिसमें हमने ना ऐसे अपना क्या किया था, कॉलोनी में different places को different Pokemon के areas बना दिए थे. And then we used to go and capture Pokemons. And then we used to do Pokemon fights with each other.
So Yuvraj is obsessed with watching TV shows, cartoons, and anime and everything. But can you, as a kid, what are the top 3 favorite cartoons or shows which would you recommend?
As a kid,
Yeah.
I think number 1 used to be Dragon Ball Z. I used to watch it a lot. And there was this Johnny Bravo.
Ooh, yeah.
And then number 3 would be Ben 10.
Ooh, I used to love Ben 10. And I even had that watch.
मेरे पास भी थी.
मेरे पास भी थी. और वो कौन सा था जिसमें यो व्हाट इज दैट?
Oh, Beyblade.
Beyblade. I used to have Beyblade. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was fun. हम पता है वो कढ़ाई में रख के तो हम कढ़ाई बीच में से रख देते थे और उसमें से बेब्लेड चला के उसमें बेब्लेड खेलते थे.
मेरे पास भी था एक ग्रीन कलर का ब्लेड एंड वो रेड कलर का ऐसे था. Oh my god, so much fun. वो मिट्टी में भी you put it and then you see.
Yeah.
So much fun.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
So, what are we talking next?
I think this is the part of the podcast where we talk about Kahani of the Week.
Woo.
So Rohini, what was your Kahani of the Week?
My kahani of the week was my Christmas party. Work Christmas party. It was so much fun. I got to meet so many new people, and I actually got the chance to talk to there were more than 150, 200 people.
Okay, that's a big party.
Yeah, there were a lot of people. I don't know the exact count. Okay.
Nah, that's fine.
Yeah, but yeah, I got to I really got the chance to talk to people, and it was fun interacting with them. And everyone is so much fun, and it's so much fun when you see people outside the work, not in that in that work mode. What about you? What was the kahani of your week?
Mine was I have joined my gym again.
Woo! Good job.
Yes,
I'm so proud of
after
you.
a while, and then I couldn't walk for at least few days. I'm still in pain. मुझे नहीं समझ आता लोग पैसे दे के अपने आप को इतना पेन क्यों दिलवाते हैं. But it's fun. So yeah, it was good. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching us blabbering about our things. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please
Like-
subscribe to our channel.
And do like the video and share it if you can.
Yes, that's the first thing. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Alright, bye bye. Bye from Slodu.
Bye.